A social worker who was gang raped by the group of men. Yes, in state of Rajasthan in the year 1992, there was a lady जिनका नाम था भंवर देवी, and she was working under the government program, a social work program of preventing the child marriage. And Bhavar Devi, while preventing the child marriage, she has faced so much of strong resistance from the villagers. बात यहाँ पर नहीं रुकती है guys. While preventing one of the child marriage, she was gang raped by the group of men. इतना serious और heinous crime होने के बावजूद she has not received a proper justice at a trial court level because in the year 1992, India was not having any law in relation to the prevention of women from sexual harassment at a workplace. But there was several NGO group and women's right public groups जो उन्होंने फॉर्म करके एक public interest litigation फाइल किया and they approached to the Supreme Court of India. And in the year 1997, Supreme Court has recognized कि भाई prevention of sexual harassment at a workplace is actually a violation of fundamental rights of women. And Supreme Court relied on several articles like Article 14, right to equality, Article 15, prohibition on discrimination, Article 21, right to life and dignity, and Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause G, which is freedom of practice any profession, trade and business. And later, Supreme Court has given a landmark judgment which is known as Vishaka Guidelines for prevention of women from sexual harassment at workplace. And later 2013 में पार्लियामेंट has enacted a law based on Vishaka Guidelines जिसको आज हम लोग जानते हैं प्रिवेंशन ऑफ सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट, पॉश पॉलिसी और पॉश एक्ट के नाम से। तो ये थी गाइस आज की एक लॉफुल स्टोरी, इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट